Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting recovery now. Sign into the exact Google account used to store the photos. Once signed in, open Google Photos on your phone or visit Photos. Google.com, go straight to trash because deleted items often live there for 60 days. Make sure backup and sync is enabled so you can compare cloud state to device folders. If the item appears in trash, restore it immediately. If not, check device folders and backup settings to determine whether the image was ever uploaded. Once trash didn't yield the file, move to deeper recovery. Inspect Google Drive and any device backups. Some photos sync there instead. Use Google Takeout to request an export of your photos archive. This can reveal assets not visible in the web UI. On Android, check the Photos app's device folders and the system backup in Settings. On iPhone, inspect iCloud settings for duplicates. Make sure to search by date, file name fragments, and people labels so you don't miss variants or edited copies. Complete the process by confirming restored images appear at full quality and in the correct albums. Then force a sync by toggling backup and sync off and on, or refresh the web page. If items don't show, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in to refresh indexing. If recovery still fails, request Google support help or perform a full takeout export to inspect raw files. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads are stalled, check storage quota and free at least 1-2 GB to allow sync to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.